How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another day of training at Santai Muay Thai. Let's get into it.
Alright, well, so unfortunately, I could not stop shitting. I had difficulty leaving the house early, so I'm about 30 minutes late to class, 45 minutes late to class. So, but I think I'm good for now, and I'm gonna go to class and hope for the best. And, let's get it today. Okay, so today was a merciful day in class, praise the Lord's. And now I'm gonna head home, chug some coconut juice, and relax, and then get ready for my afternoon training a little bit later. And I'm probably gonna stay in. I don't know. I know it's like to not be be a social. I should socialize, but it's gonna pour hard this evening, and I'm not really in. Or I don't know. I'll see how I feel, because I know tomorrow I'm definitely gonna want to go to Chiang Mai and have that fucking cow soy. You know what I'm talking about? Go back to that area. Have the cow soy of dreams. Yeah. And then I'll see what I get into tomorrow. But unfortunately, it is gonna rain in the later parts of the day, so I should probably get into town as early as possible. And for my sake, I should probably lay off the liquid foods from here on out, because man, that was rough not being able to leave the room till like 6:30. Anyways,
This is jumping up until my afternoon training. I don't know if I ended up going into the city in the evening. So this is just skipping up until the later part of the day, and yo, check me out. Watch me defy gravity here. Whoosh, whoosh.
today was a fun day in sparring. Hello. I was sweeped twice and punched in the face four times. So I gotta learn to keep my guard up and be lighter on my feet. But now I'm headed home. Gonna order some food and just rest, play video games, and relax.
Oh, so I didn't go into town. I just did the same boring shit I do every day. Man, y'all gonna love this series. It consists of me just smoking weed, playing video games, and training.
Alrighty, so now I am gonna go to that shrine that I saw when I went to go get that massage. Apparently it's gonna rain today, so I'm gonna try to stay out of the house as long as possible. Hopefully it won't rain. Hopefully because the forecast keeps pushing it back. So hopefully, oh, you know what? Let me get a mosquito. Gotta get a mosquito repellent thing, and then I'm gonna head out to that shrine. Uh-oh. Oh no. I just want to take photos of the shrine. There's a bunch of medium-sized dogs that could easily overpower me.
See what I mean about the dogs? Okay, so this day I actually just spent walking around. This must be a Sunday, and I just spent walking around exploring the local area, taking photos and checking out the shrines.
I'm a little bored, so I decided to go for a little walk. It actually ended up being a pretty, oh nope, never. I was like, look at this shit. I was like, oh, it ended up being a pretty clear day, and then we have all that rain cloud up there. Never the fuck mind, it's actually gonna rain in the next handful of minutes. Hey, I think they cleaned up. Nope, never mind. I'm sure you're supposed to take your shoes off, but it's so customary here. I'm not gonna risk upsetting anyone. There you go. Shoes off. Check it out. We got double dogs. Oh, they're chill. Oh, they're good boys. I'm gonna head back because I can feel my gullet saying I'm gonna take a shit.
So that was a Sunday. I think that was my second Sunday, and I want to apologize for not having a lot of footage of my training. I still felt very timid in bringing the camera out and recording myself, unless I was doing bag work, because I still felt very much like an outsider. I didn't want to like be walking around with a camera and bothering people. I'm pretty sure I have a lot more footage of my training the further into my time at Santai goes, but for now I'm just trying to put together what I have and try to make something viewable. But hey, you know what? This is my first videos I've ever made, so it's probably gonna be haphazardly put together. And sorry guys, I'm learning and I'm trying. Okay. The next day.
Well, unfortunately, I overslept, so when I got to the point that I'm ready to go to class, I'm gonna be arriving a bit late. So, oh man. And I have like a light nasal congestion or some sort of irritation of some sort.
So on Mondays, what they do is you just get on a bag, they give you a combination, and then you just do the combination over and over and over again, and then in between you do some push-ups, then they give you a new combination, and you repeat throughout the whole class. That's your Monday. That's why if you're trying to get in on a first day, get in on a Monday, because it's pretty easy to get through it, and it's pretty challenging. You're gonna work up a sweat.
Okie dokie. Okie stokey. Well, I'm headed to class a little bit early today because I want to get some time in to do some pull-ups, physical therapy, and catch up on my jump rope. So I'm headed in about 30 minutes early. You know, this morning I was feeling like dog shit. Got like a slight, like a 24-hour sinus infection. So I feel significantly better now. I'm actually ready to train. And yeah, feels actually in instances like this, it sure feels good knowing that outside is hot as fuck, because when you're sick and you're in a cold environment, ooh, that's bad. But when it's hot, oh, it's like, oh, it's okay, bro, I'm already overheated. I don't want the contrast shit. I don't want to be in a cold environment unless I'm going to be like asleep. Well, anyways, let's get to some training, right? Let's get to some stuttering and some training.
So in the afternoons, I would come in about an hour early, so that way I could do some exercises to try to catch up with my classmates, because I was definitely lagging behind everyone. guy's just fucking with me. You can tell at this point he's just whooping me. He's just whooping my ass. Just throws a punch and then kicks me. Well, guys, I hope you're able to appreciate this week's episode. I still have to put up. No, I have one more episode that I took out of the hard drive. So after I do that, I gotta see what else I have in store for the other weeks. And I hope you guys were able to appreciate. It sucks because I know I could do better, but it's just a lot of this stuff. I'm still such a noob when it comes to this shit. But fuck it, man. One video at a time. That's the mentality I got. I gotta take it. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Any support, criticism, feedback, guys, I'd really appreciate it. I know I can. There's a lot of room for improvement, and anything that you guys let me know would be very, very helpful. So I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.